from contingent number 4. Okay, kausapin natin ang kanilang flag bearer. Ano ang dapat abangan ng Agoo sa contingent number 4 mamaya sa focal presentation?
I believe everyone should expect something great and something unorthodox because our presentation is based on the cultural mapping or the local cultural inventory wherein we had the research with the stakeholders, and our presentation is truly it is a community involvement, community cohesion and participation. So everyone is of great help in our presentation.
Nabingi ako dun sa ano yun kasi? Orthodentics. May dentista daw ho silang kasama. Chareng! Alright, very good. You are very, very smart. I love the insight from you. And of course, as what he have mentioned, it includes community engagement. Sama-sama ang ating mga kaibigan. Our contingent number 4 are from San Julian Norte, San Julian West, San Julian Central, Santa Monica Baluarte, and San Marcos. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, they're more than ready. Our contingent number 4.
Nagpintas, Dinengdeng Festival. Hintayon Agoo, Dinengdeng Festival. Naragsak, nagpintas, Dinengdeng Festival. Hintayon Agoo, Dinengdeng Festival. Naiwas di Dinengdeng. May kantaraman ng Festival, tayo na mag-iwan. Dinengdeng Festival, lahat sa Mapintas Dinengdeng Festival Hintayon ako Dinengdeng Festival Naragsak Mapintas Dinengdeng Festival Hintayon ako Dinengdeng Festival
Naiwas dinengdeng. Hey, may katarama na
Muli, maraming salamat. As they say, it's another day, it's another regal performance coming from our friends from our contingent at number 4. Maraming salamat ho.